Hi everyone, let me walk you through the BetterDev website. BetterDev is divided into two parts. First is the community. Second is the protocol that helps for coordination of the community. This is the website for the community. Now, the first thing to do is to join the community by clicking on the community button as shown. So it takes you to this onboarding form. The follow X button is compulsory. You follow us on Twitter, so we know that you are committed to our mission and vision for the community. So after following us Twitter S, you click on continue. So it takes you to the your biodata form, where you have to fill your name, your email, then you select your country. You have to select the exact country and city you are located at. You are not allowed to select a country that you are not located at. If you are in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you are in Benin, you write Benin. That's how you're gonna get matched by the system. Because you have to match you with those in your city. So you are not allowed to choose a city that you are not in. So after you have filled the form, you confirm that you have followed us on S. Then you click on continue to the final step, where it takes you to for an optional verification. So you screenshot your S profile and verify. So when we are done with the verification, you click on the join BetterDev button. Then it goes to validating stage. It validates your credentials. When it does that, after validating your credentials, then it saves your registration. After your registration has saved, it creates it creates your unique community ID. This community ID is used to track your reputation, your BetterDev passports, and all the future grants, NFT, and benefits we get from this community. So it generates a unique invite link, which you can copy and invite your friends to join the community. There is a bonus for referral. It's a bonus point for referrals. And when you are done, you can request to join a community in your country. Like this is a WhatsApp access for Nigeria. So you click on the button. For those that are not already members of the community, you click on the button and it takes you to WhatsApp. Let's go through the website once more. This is how BetterDev works. First, you get matched. and after you have signed up for a meetup, you get matched in a group of 6 to 10. So after that, you meet up on weekends and have a little light exercise. After the light exercise, you take some coffee. So after that, you have a conversation. You have a conversation with your 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 colleague or your community member that you met. So it's actually fun. This is actually designed for introverts that cannot actually easily connect with other people. Like we said before, the BetterDev is divided into two parts. The first is the community, which we just talked about. The second is the protocol, which I will call the infrastructure layer that coordinates the people. You don't have to attend a meeting to be a member. You can join the virtual community and just be in our group and have conversation, ask questions, follow updates, know about our events and our next plan. But if you want to attend a meetup, so you have to click on this attend next meetup button. When you click on it, so that you can verify or claim your passport. So when you click on it, it takes you to the infrastructural layer of the BetterDev, which we call proof of participation. So in the future, we are building this infrastructure. We are kind of evolving this infrastructure so that other organizations like university communities that are not BetterDev can actually utilize this protocol for proof of participation for their events. Currently, this infrastructural protocol is chain agnostic, meaning it can support all chains. It is currently deployed on Arbitrum, Sepolia, and currently supports Arbitrum and Solana. In the future, we are trying to evolve this protocol so that other communities, universities, and organizations, they can mint their own NFT for their events, and it will be recorded on chain. And that's the main reason we actually made it chain agnostic, so that it can support every ecosystem that usually organize events. To attend any meetup, first step is to connect your wallet. So you connect your wallet to mint your passport. So when you collect your wallet, you mint your passport. It's an NFT. So you receive the NFT in your wallet address. So when you finally get to the event, you can now simulate the QR scan to show a proof of participation, which will be recorded on chain. The current reputation points are just attend a meetup, you get some point, 20 points. You organize meetup, you get some points. You publish cap. These are just the few points currently supported with this protocol. For the milestone badges, we don't actually mint NFT for every event that occurred on this protocol. NFT are minted when you achieve a particular milestone because there is value attached to your NFT. There is kind of benefit attached to every NFT that you mint in our protocol. So the only time you mint NFT is during the identity stage, your BetterDev passport. Then when you attend your first meetup, which is your first meetup stamp, then as a community builder, and finally a community champion. All these are tied with benefits from this ecosystem. It could include grants, it could include resources, it could include partners, compute units, all sorts of benefits depending on our partnership with other ecosystem. This is the meetup coordination layer. We call it the builder circles, where organizers create a fair group using Chainlink VROF. The random seed is on chain, so group assignments can't be rigged. Is fair and unbiased. This is done by clicking on the create group button. Then you connect your MetaMask wallet. You click on the confirm button. So before then, let me increase the gas limit so that the transaction can actually succeed. Then finally, I'll click on the confirm button. Immediately, the protocol starts assigning groups. This usually takes some minutes, so you have to wait. So from the wallet, you can see that the contract actually succeeded. That's why you saw confirmed. So we can now check the group. So you click on the share group, then you see the different group 1, group 2, group 3. You can see there is a startup founder, there's a front-end engineer in one group. These are all randomly selected using Chainlink VRF. This is the cool part about this protocol. You can meet engineers you wouldn't normally meet, or meet founders you wouldn't normally meet, maybe senior or someone in another domain like product developer. So I think this is very beautiful. Like I don't know if you can see it with me, but it's very, very cool. So afterwards, you can view the on-chain proof on Arbitrum scan. So you can see that it was successfully propagated on chain. You can see the gas price and you can see the timestamp and transaction hash. For now, this is how the protocol works, and these users are not real users. These are for just proof of concept. It's an MVP. So after the hackathon, we're going to launch on chain, on mainnet, using real wallet, real users, so with real NFT. So we'll continue building immediately after the hackathon. The identity layer is on MVP. The reputation layer is still on MVP. Coordination layer is on MVP. In the future, we're going to add intelligence layer, which will help in matching, context matching, to suit your needs better. And also, through partnership and sponsorship, will unveil different opportunity for members that have NFT. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Follow us as we build a better community.